I don't know why TikTok keeps fucking throwing me in and out. Damn, I might have to fucking restart my computer. It is going slow. I gotta see what's dragging it down like that. Talk Live is. I'm gonna have to restart TikTok really quick. Be right back. We do have a flag here, so keeping that in mind. I can't trade like that. It's too slow. I have an amazing computer too. What the fuck? I do have about 1 billion fucking apps open though. Now let's pay attention to this lower high, higher low thing. Where's the orb? Oh, we're way below it now, huh? See, how are you supposed to trade this if the price is just not respecting it? It seems like if it breaks below it, you just put your stop loss maybe behind the midline. But that's a huge swing. Fuck your orb. Okay, so you see this this low here, Johnny C? You see how it's highlighted? It means that the RSI, I believe, is oversold. Doesn't mean shit, but that's like an extra thing too. It's pretty cool with this. And if you go back, you can kind of see it too. Low, 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 higher low. I have to look up to see what the settings are. Or I could create one that does it for us too. And then while we're waiting, well, I don't want to do it now, but as soon as there's no symbols, I want to go back and back test just a little bit, just to look at it. I'm telling you the answer's here. The answer's here. But I feel like the 6 setting, like this would have told me this is a lower high. Or lower low. That's what I'm saying. I'm like right in between of which one I want. But you don't want to fucking have too much noise. High or low? Oh, you'd have to. So this replay here, up here, if you're looking, I'll go slow. Replay up here. You click on it. You can do whatever the fuck they want. What do I do? Oh, because I press fucking continue. Hold up. If you press start new, it won't do that. Okay, still got a low. But say you wanted to go back here and you can't see the higher lows yet. You could do replay, start new, and then you can click wherever it is on the screen where you want to look at. Select bar down here. And then I click on it. It'll go back, and now you have your indicators
US stocks
there.
are then full. The Nasdaq down 2%.
So now you have your higher low to the upside. Well, it would be lovely to get in down here, you know? But I guess it's better than losing. Alright, so we got the shift here. We do have a higher low. Doesn't break the top. We do have an X. Now, say like this higher low doesn't hold, then we can maybe make that as a... This isn't going to work. Alright, I want to see this right here. So I select bar, come here, goes to it, and now I have the indicators there. I feel like the 6 is good, but I feel like it needs to be a little bit faster. I'm gonna put it back to the 5 just for now, until I can. If there was like a 5.5, that'd be awesome. I guess it didn't matter, huh? Lower low. Still didn't make the higher low here. Alright, let's go back in case I don't want to miss the entry here. See that LL is fucking highlighted too? Fair value gap. Perfect. Sounds good. Oh shit, you got everything set up. He's ready. He's ready. You can still use your computer screen for, like, you know, other shit. All right, we might get an entry here. Oh, did I ever start my fucking TikTok? Fuck me. In the ass. I got so carried away. Okay, so we got a lower high. Still no higher low yet. Yeah, I don't know if you agree, but I feel like the answer's fucking there. Just gotta figure it out. Knock it off. Perfect. I feel like the fucking glitch thing is gone too a little bit. Cool. Okay. Would that be a higher low? Right into this? Change it to 5, right? Still shorting. Kind of want to fucking short that. So it's forming the higher low. Doesn't mean get in yet, but we still kind of need the shift too, but the shift might be too late up here. Oh my god, why the fuck was my application denied? For my funded futures. Okay, higher low there for sure. Waiting for the shift.
Canadian dollar extends decline, touches $1.41 per US dollar.
Man. Still waiting patiently. We do have a higher low. But I was waiting for the shift rocket. The strat method? You mean like placing a buy and a sell? I haven't, no. I mean, I know pretty much every style. I just, I don't know.
Senate Majority Leader Foon says, we're having conversations on new stopgap funding deadline. Currently, Senate Majority Leader John Foon is speaking to reporters.
Now the question is, do we get in now when this appears? Or on a slight pullback? The shift's probably going to be this entire candle, so I would assume we wait for a pullback, and if we miss it, we miss it. Could be that one, or it could be fucking this one. Oh, I thought the shift was gonna appear there. Now I got myself, I'll do a starter then. User 13, what does it include? Like, what is it about? Right to the 50. I don't know how I feel about this one.
Just a reminder, under a minute's time, we're expecting the RBNZ Financial Stability Report.
I mean, yeah, I know all pretty much patterns. Right off the 61. So I wonder if it was this one. It might not touch, might miss it.
10 seconds.
All right, there's our shift. Now, where the fuck do we take this? I'm guessing right here again. It's not a huge pushback, but from here to here, as long as it doesn't pass it, we're right here.
So coming in now, RBNZ says the financial stability risks remain heightened. Furthermore, RBNZ says fragmentation of global trade and finance and ongoing uncertainty continue to present risks. Furthermore, RBNZ says loan defaults have picked up, although they remain low compared to during the global financial crisis. RBNZ says banks remain well placed to manage the current uncertainty. RBNZ says strong lending standards, including loan-to-value limits, have helped to restrict the amount of high-risk lending in the system. Furthermore, RBNZ says as a small open economy, New Zealand would be exposed to any impacts on global economic activity or volatility in financial markets.
Who's RBNZ? Is that New Zealand? I just want to make sure I'm not trading into somebody that's like crazy.
RBNZ says firms exposed to discretionary spending are challenged.
But here's the issue. We have this area here too. We have two areas of interest here. Who wants to tap this or
order
okay,
filled?
Good. All right, I'm in a minute. Just shut the fuck up.
Order filled.
That's the higher low too. If it sticks, it's repainting a little bit though, like until the candle finally starts coming back a little bit, like I think like 30%. But this looks like really good.
Order filled. Order filled.
Should come back to here. Should. But then you got this area here too. Which swing is it? This swing or this swing for the fair value gap? That's the most important.
RBNZ say banks have increased their resilience to a range of shocks.
I just want to say it repaints until like maybe like
Well, hello everybody. This is
a 45% pullback.
You're behind.
You get what I'm saying? Like, so this is like it's stuck there now. Like, it's not gonna repaint now. Now, if it blows through this, we're good. We saved 25 points doing that, really? Looks like we saved 10. Say we bought right here, 607. 11 points. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, Daddy.
Is that you? PRV. Welcome, motherfucking bully bears.
I want to add one more.
Order filled.
My funded futures. So I got two spots here. I don't know if this is the swing, you know, the fair value gap. So after a swing point, the first fair value gap after... Oh, there's no fair value gap here, so that would really be here. Interesting. I'll just stick to my strategy. But what I was trying to say is after a major swing point, I guess that would be high. So swing point... First fair value gap after a swing point is the strongest. $39.20. You're on gold. I'm on MNQ. But I can look on gold anyway. High or low. But it's forming still. But it already hit our TP, so... Oh, this is a 5-minute shit. Fucking... Gold's got a flag. Not much juice here. Not much juice in the... Can't even say what I was gonna say. We do have up to 954, so like 10 points. We can keep an eye on this. It could hit 39, but I kind of got a little mini reversal signal. All right, so time to pay attention here. High or low? Knock on wood, I must say, not sizing up too high on 3 accounts does feel a little bit better in terms of life. Very nice, very nice. Gold's kind of slow. The hell are you doing? 10,000 contracts, Mr. Joe? Yeah, I don't really feel too stressed. Did that get your gambling feelings out? Did you work today? No. I'm off and I go back to work Friday. I go back to work Friday. You got me Monday through Thursday. Please don't. I want to see you in this lifetime. That sucks. Work sucks. I feel like trading itself, it's not stressing me out, but I feel like I'm overwhelmed. Like I want to get stuff done, but I don't have the time to do like videos and stuff. I'm trying to work around that. I wish I was like some of those guys. And it might just... You guys might just want raw material too. I don't know. I gotta see what works. Some of those fucks just turn it on and record and then they're okay with the videos. I feel like I need to perfect it, and I guess maybe I don't need to do that. Oh, the trading side, yeah, of course. But like, I'm talking about like videos, posting videos. I feel like my content needs to be better for posting. Which one? Apex or? Nice. Remember, slow and steady, slow and steady. I'm trying Apex and then I'm trying my funded futures. It was $56. No activation fee.
Order filled. Order filled.
It's the problem with Take Profit Trader is like I need you to learn the live trailing drawdown. Because once you go live on Take Profit Trader, there's no more fucking... Man, do I take this out or what?
Order filled.
I only have one each on my funded futures. Then I have two here on Apex. Game out at 6:33. What's that mean? Oh, closed it? I gotcha. Don't be too scared, though. If you're too scared, that means you're probably sizing up too high, okay? So scale out if you want to. Say you're in 3. You don't have to get out. Okay, so you have 2. So, like, if you want to, you can take out 1 and see if the other one wants to ride up. If not, because this one's like, you know, you still got some room here.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? John Dossel. Welcome. Bully Bears Training.
Daddy, chill.
I mean, he might have made the right choice, though, because it's fucking coming back down. See how it reacts here. I'm out most of it, so... If it has, like, some kind of crazy sell, I'll still be out profit. Trying to form the higher low. Break above this should send it up. Gonna try to do the $50 at least 3 times a day. What do you mean, take profit or? So, if you take profit too soon, what I've noticed is like, so if you take profit too soon, you could do that, but you have to stick to that strategy. Because if you hold a loser, right, and it comes back like $200, you're gonna feel obligated to hold that because you only up $50. Not wrong to get out if you feel like the market's wrong, but don't get out because you're scared. Can't be soft, girl.
Stop filled.
All right. It's not holding.
Order filled.
Here. So I got out. Wish I got that top a little bit. Who got that high or low? Okay, let's see if it's forms. Now we're gonna move over to gold. See, look, that was perfect. Perfect. Broke below the fair value gap as a resistance. You could have got out there. I mean, you ended up getting a good price anyways.
Daddy,
But you could scale out.
Is that you? Mr. Sum, welcome to motherfucking Bully Bears Trade.
Okay, got that high or low, right?
Order filled. Order filled.
So this one's gonna be tricky, right? Yeah, it's up here. The blue line. But look at this resistance it's got to get through. Not every day I have a rotating schedule at work, but I am on, like this week I'm on Monday through Friday. I mean Monday through Thursday. Next week I'll be on Tuesday through Friday. And then the following week will be Wednesday through Friday. If that makes sense. But I do have a free Discord where we bullshit.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright. We're in. What site is this? This is TradingView. I have my, I use prop firms. Right now I'm using Apex and My Funded Futures. And I have them linked to Tradeovate, linked to TradingView. I'm up in the air where I want to take TP on this. What do you guys think? This could be the fucking... the mega bucks ones too. But I think we'll keep it simple. It's 330. And then maybe we can try for the midline. There's just no fair value gap here at all. We'll have to play that one by ear. I need to learn this. I actually want to. If you have the need and want, you could join my free Discord. And in the Discord, there's a beginner's no knowledge section. Watch all the videos. And if you can stay through all those videos, then we can help you out after the basics are learned. I do offer my indicators. There's a 30-day free trial. After 30 days, it is $1 a day, 30 for the month. Extremely cheap. I will be raising the price in the future. I just want to get a nice base first, you know? And if you guys are wondering why I charge money, it's because if you're rich, you need fucking different avenues of income. Bills ain't gonna pay themselves, boys and girls. Just being honest. You said the 5-minute. Let's check the 5-minute. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. So this is that order block shit I was talking about. The candle that fucking makes the turn. Right in there. We do have a lower low on this though. And it's not for everybody, Gordos. Not for everybody. Keep that in mind, okay? I highly encourage you to do it, but not for everybody. Most people lose money. None of this is financial advice. But if you have patience and don't go in gambling, you'll be alright. I do need to put a little bit more into this one.
Order filled.
I don't want to go too high though.
Order filled.
ICP? Bro, you win 50 cons, you made mad money right here. Nice. I'm almost out half of it though right here. If it hits 948, and then we're gonna see if it goes to 951. I'm not sure yet. What a softie. You said you're going 50.
Order
Nice,
filled.
Nice.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, we got 2 left in each one. I want 951s, but I'm not naive that this could fucking plummet. Let's see. Get your ass up there, boy. Damn, do I just take it?
Order filled.
Not fucking bad. Not bad. So how did you feel on that one, Powers? I think your issue is psychology. If you guys made money on that, you should follow me unless, you know, you're used to trading. Hit that follow button. Hit those hearts. Help me grow. Right to that fucking, that bully bounce zone. I mean, 50 is that whole number too, right? I was gonna say it out loud, so it's hard to text you that. When you go to Tradeovate, it might be easier to set up. I mean, you're gonna have to fuck around with it, but what I've been doing, because Tradeovate's fucking annoying to me. So, as soon as my orders fill here, I got my fucking hand on what I want to take out on Tradeovate. I almost make it like an alert. This is gonna keep going. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. No, I'm sorry, Powers. Someone else. But I am when I talk to you, I say Powers, Mrs. Powers. You should be confident. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Right? When you go in too heavy, you start to fucking panic. That's the issue. And honestly, Apex has live trailing drawdown. So your highest unrealized profit moves when it's going up and you don't close it. Your stop loss follows it. So if your trade is still open and it's going up, your stop loss is still going with it. If you don't close that trade and it comes down, this is what happens to your stop loss. It stays there. Then you get out. Yeah, maybe you got out green, but now you got less wiggle room. And if you size correctly, it won't be an issue at all. I promise you. You gotta size correctly though. You also don't want to baby it either. You gotta find the happy medium. Just gotta figure it out. Okay, it's 335. Look at MNQ. So it doesn't quite hit it, right? but you should be trailing up with it. Don't trail too close where you get stopped out constantly, but see, Johnny C, on your 6, you probably might not have a low here, and this is actually just a higher low. That's where it's gonna fuck me. I need an in-between here. On NASDAQ. This low here at 580 is probably a higher low on your end, I'm assuming. Now, what's great about my funded futures is it's end of day drawdown. So say my funded futures, I got $2,000 stop loss, right? That's my end of day drawdown, 2,000 stop loss. I'm up $550 in each account. My drawdown now is 2,000 plus 550. So if you wanted to go and risk that money, you can go a little bit harder in. That's where you can start scaling into this into end of day drawdowns. So as long as you build a buffer, you can start putting more contracts on. Apex, on the other hand, is live trailing drawdown up into the buffer mark, which means say a 50k account, you need to make to 2,500. After 2,500, it stops trailing you. So it would also become the same. So you just got to be patient in the beginning on your PA account. Once you pass live, if you get past that buffer, there is no more trailing drawdown. That's where you start fucking raking in money. Now, Apex is cheaper. My funded futures is pretty fucking cheap, but we're gonna see. It's my first time ever using it. I'm a little pissed off that they fucking denied my affiliate code. I'm gonna fucking email them, bastards. But so Apex, definitely, if you just chill, nice and slow. We gotta buy here.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Yeah. Welcome. I don't know why I just repeated that 3 times. It felt good though. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
Daddy, chill.
Damn, I was gonna fucking take this too. What, copy trader? I'm actually manually trading. Well, I have Tradeovate where you can copy trade. Tradeovate lets you copy trade. But I have 2 screens. Now, there's another app called Trade Syncer. It's fucking $50 a month though. I might have to get it though. You could control one account as your master account, trade on that, and it copy trades to every other account you have. You can actually have up to 200 accounts. 200. Which is insane. But for now, Tradeovate's doing the job. As long as it's the same company, like my funded futures, you go to group trade and then you could just copy trade them. But there is a trade syncer where literally you can copy trade from one account and it can go across any company you want. Say you want Top Step, Take Profit Trader, Apex, My Funded Futures, Funded Next, Tick, fucking whatever the fuck, My Family, 8 fucking prop firms. You can copy. Say I just have my Apex as my main. You can copy trade every single one to all of them at the same time. It is $50 a month, and then the really big one's $150 a month. But if you're fucking bringing in, if you could trade 200 accounts and you do one micro, you're talking fucking thousands and thousands. You're talking about $1 million months. But we'll worry about that when we get there. Perfect. That's kind of like what I'm doing too. Wish I held this. Listen to a banger right here. There's that higher high. Right to the midline. We take the next move. I don't know. It's getting late. We're gonna have MOC injection in 8 minutes. What that is basically what that basically is when the feds take a tally and they either inject or take money out at 350. Just pay attention. Watch at 350. You're gonna see a huge candle go up or down. And thank you for the very nice comment. If this breaks above this, it's gonna rip up. Just remember, guys, that deal with the 70% off Apex is over tomorrow at midnight. It's 70% off, and then the activation fee is only $40. Very fucking cheap if you can pass. Very fucking cheap. It's usually 85. What they did was do a reverse psychology on you, to be honest with you. But it's a little bit cheaper than usual. Right to that fucking midline. This is what I originally wanted on gold. You little bitch. So we're right at this orb midline. I'm still learning the midline shit, but you can see that it got really choppy today because it was inside the orb. So rule of thumb, when price is in the orb is the first 15 minutes after New York open. So 9:30 to 9:45. If the price is in between, it usually is choppy. And you can see it was choppy. But we were able to capitalize on this anyway. I don't have it on this one, but most likely gold's Gonna just chill. Let's go to M&Q. Fuck you. That was hard to hold it all the way back, though. So this is gonna come up to the... It's probably most likely going to the bottom of the orb. I kind of want to fucking scalp it there. But it's 5 minutes too. Driz, thanks for the share. I appreciate you. Yeah, I'm a little pissed off about my funded futures. I wanted to promote them. Let's ask Nova what she thinks about... She's been fresh lately, though. Oh, oh, let me ask Nova now. I'll look again. So I'm streaming in front of a lot of followers here, and we're curious for futures trading at 3:50 p.m. They're gonna have an MOC imbalance. Do you think it's gonna be bullish or bearish? Just give me straight up facts. Don't give me bullshit. Look up the live feed. Hurry up.
All right, Alpha Daddy. Straight up, no BS. Live feed at 3:50 p.m. Eastern today. YSCs showing a net buy imbalance across the board. Heaviest in stocks like AES on the sell side.
No. I just want to know futures like M&Q, the Nasdaq.
Got it. Daddy, just M&Q futures. Hold the live feed from CME, and at 3:50 p.m. Eastern time, the imbalance is showing net buys back heavy moves, pushing a bullish tilt for the close. M&Q's holding green above.
And this is live feed, right? You're looking up live feed or for MOC imbalance. You think there's going to be an ejection, so it's going to go up?
Yeah. Hold straight from the live CME and NYSE feeds right now. Q's at 25,774 and climbing with that MOC imbalance. Still net buy heavy.
Daddy?
Nasdaq names.
Is that you?
And MSFT. Bullish ejection. Time to rocket past 26K on the close.
Yeah, yo, your feeds, your fucking live data is so off. Can you just look up live data for MOC imbalance? Stop fucking pulling my leg.
Yo, Alpha Daddy. My bad if it felt off. Pulled fresh from CME and NYSE feeds just now. M&Q sitting at 25,777 for deck 25. Down a tick from open, but MOCs showing net buy imbalances. Nasdaq heavies like NVDA and AAPL. Over 100K shares skewed green.
Okay, so you think bullish.
Yeah, Alpha Daddy. Bullish all the way on that MOC flow. Green close incoming, unless shit flips hard.
Well, you tell me. Look it up. Quick. 15 seconds left.
Yo, Alpha Daddy. Fresh pull from CME. M&Q's at 25,786 right now. Down a bit, but MOC imbalances are net buy heavy in Nasdaq stocks. Over 50K shares skewed green. 15 seconds. Bullish punch to the upside. Hold on for the ride.
Yeah, you're fucking wrong. You're fucking wrong.
Alright, Alpha. My bad if the feeds lagged. Happy with what you're seeing. I'll double check it live.
I'm seeing it fucking downtrend.
Alpha Daddy. Shit, you're right. Leads are showing M&Q dipped to 25,729.
Just tell me the fucking MOC imbalance. What was it?
Yo, Alpha Daddy.
Stop saying yo. What the fuck?
MOC for M&Q was net sell 5,000 contract.
So it was a sell side.
Net sell. MOC orders came in 5 minutes ago. Big blocks dumping. That's why it's red.
Useless.
Daddy,
Damn. I had
is
my
that
fucking.
you?
I had my shit muted for my news channel, motherfucker.
Angel, welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
I feel like this wants to just go up a little bit. But we gotta be we gotta be patient here. Flag means potential reversal. We usually wait for a nice rocket, but time is 3:52. It had to be okay. Here we got NASDAQ 100 negative 15 million to the sell side. That's why he got this. It was not a lot pushed in at all. It's usually like sometimes a billion. This is negative 15 million to the sell side. And if you guys are curious on why it's falling, is because government is shut down. They do not have the data, they're saying, to make a determination if there's going to be a rate cut in December. So the odds of the bets are going down. Markets are not liking it. Divergent. It's almost market close. Just be careful.
Ether falls to lowest since July, last down 11%.
Daddy? Is that you? Angel, Ella. Welcome to motherfucking Bully Bears Trading.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Oh, my bad. Let me look at your thing you sent me. MNQ. Nah, your shit says low too. Okay, so not that much of a difference here. So this was gonna be hard to trade. I mean, it is a higher low.
I am Groot.
Yeah, I'm taking quick buy, but you're risking it. You know that, right? You're risking that. because it keeps making a new low. So anything like if you're trying to like just dip buy like that, just remember you are risking it. It obviously rejected here pretty good. We'll see though. We got a couple minutes. If I see anything, I'll get in, but not easy, yo.
See, that would have been really bad. Really bad.
And remember, volume dies down sometimes too after 4. There's AMD earnings at 4:15 though. Can I help you trade? I mean, you got to learn the basics. If you want to join my free Discord in the beginner no knowledge section, there's a bunch of videos there if you want to learn there. Once you get the basics, then we can help you out. But you need to do the reading on your own for the basics. I am coming out with the course, but it's taking a lot longer than I want to. I'm not really good at recording shit. I'm a trader, guys. I'm a trader. Yeah, no problem. Oh, thanks for the sticker. Appreciate you. Yeah, you got to learn your basics. So, and there's tons of videos. Just you can just YouTube day trading and stuff like that. How to day trade futures. And then I do have a section of beginner no knowledge stuff. If you wanted to go in there and look. Ooh, we got a fair value gap. It is called. It's almost 4 fucking o'clock, so definitely be careful on this one. Zoom in so you can fucking... Maybe it's behind that fucking buy signal. Oh, no, it's not. I'm wrong. I'm sorry. Alright, we got our shift here. Oh, I got you. I mean, we're here to fill in. if you have questions. I just prefer, like, you know, if, like, don't come in here and ask me, like, what a candle is. Sometimes you gotta look shit up. And I'm not being mean anyway. I'm just trying to be honest with you. I am trying to push out a course, though. Going slowly, slowly. Yeah, this one ain't gonna... This is just gonna rock it off, isn't it? But... this is something that we were talking about today. If we miss some, then we miss some. Yeah, I'm gonna be done for the day at 4:15. After the AMD earnings. They do have New Zealand unemployment at 16.45, which is 4.45. But it could be dead all the way till then. Anything after 4 can be, you know, weary. How long I've been doing this for? I've been trading well over 10 years. Probably close to fucking 15 years. But streaming, it's been about, I think since February or March. So this is kind of more of a new journey for me, the teaching part. Okay, good, yeah. I was just making an example. But that's good that you're learning the basics. And it's not easy, alright? So don't ever put your hard-earned money into it until you understand shit. Most traders do fail. And most of the time, it's psychology, sizing too high. This didn't give it to us. This could fucking come down too and give us an entry on gold. I'm also not seeing any opportunities at Marco. Nah, I offer my knowledge for free. My indicators is what costs money.
Canada's debt to GDP ratio rises 43.3%.
Because that's that took me a lot of time. There's a lot of free shit on YouTube. There really is. I am gonna put out my own course, but it's gonna be free. And it's gonna be very fast. It's not gonna be anything crazy. But my indicators is where it's, you know, the real fucking money maker is. Thanks for the other sticker. I'll be live tomorrow morning. You can come check us out. If you want, there's a free Discord in the bio, and then you can go and
Canada
list of what
budget
you should
sees
know.
2025-26 deficit of $78.3 billion versus $42.2 billion forecast in December.
AI trading.
Canada
So
budget sees 2026-27 deficit of $65.4 billion versus $31 billion in December. 2027-28 deficit of $63.5 billion versus $30.4 billion.
I thought it was going
Canada
to.
budget proposes total investments of $280 billion over 5 years in infrastructure, defense, housing, and measures to boost competitiveness. Canada budget proposes making 60 billion in savings over 5 years. Canada budget sees federal debt to GDP ratio hitting 43.3% in 2027-28 and then barely changing through the 2029-30 fiscal year.
I wonder
Canada
if they can
budget
get their
sees
data
real
off of
GDP
Canada's
growth of
movement.
1.1% in 2025 versus 1.7% in December, 1.2% in 2026 versus 2.1%, 2% in 2027 versus 2.1, 1.9 in 2028 versus 2%.
What do I think about AI trading? So AI trading, it can work, but to an extent. You have to watch the news. The market is basically people's emotions into a price. So the reason why it moves in certain ways is because our emotions are involved creating these movements in the market. That's why the same
Just a
shit
reminder,
happens over and
at
over again.
4:15.
So AI can't read that yet.
4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, we have AMD Q3 2025 earnings.
It can help
Canada
you.
10-year yield eases 1.5 basis points, 3.132%
Sorry, I'm trying to
after
listen to the
federal budget.
AMD. Yeah, it can help you get like, support and resistance. And if you take a picture, like, all right, give me support and resistance zones, it'll fucking do it for you. It's pretty cool. But I've
Canadian
noticed.
dollar holds loss versus US dollar after budget announcement.
I gotta fucking mute them until it's fucking time. What I've noticed though, like I like AI a lot, but it's just not there. I know my shit, and I catch it wrong all the time. So that's even with like normal information. I'm like, no, that's not true. And they're like, oh, I'm sorry, good catch. And I'm like, what the fuck, bro? It happens a lot. So the thinking part wise, it needs some work. Unless it's a specific program. It's too open-ended now and they can't put it all together yet. It's pretty close. Alright, we got that high or low. We can risk it. But just remember this could be an issue here. Let's see. Now this can reprint until it picks out the low. Yep. Okay. So I would say like a 30% move up will make it stick. Yeah, but it didn't stick though, right? That'll be hard to code. Because higher lows and lower lows are basically they go off of zigzags. So until a new point is like halfway reached, it won't stick yet. And we got the X of death. That's everybody's strategy, Scooby. That's a tough one to say. Everybody has their own strat, and everybody works differently. Somebody can come in here and be like, yo, you're fucking, why are you on the 1 minute? You can see I make money off the 1 minute.
Time, we have we have AMD Q3 2025 earnings.
So I like the 1 minute chart. Some people like 15, an hour, all different shit. So, but if you were gonna trade my style, the 1 minute is what I like. All right, so this seems like it's gonna stick now, right? Do you agree? With this higher low here? But we gotta watch an eye on it to see how it works. I would say that's good. There is earnings in fucking 4 minutes, so just let you guys know. Yeah, there's so many different strategies out there. You got to find one that really suits your likings. Man, do I enter this or not? Did yours print that one? Probably not yet, right? It's stuck right now, like this instant. Because mine is adjusting still. I'm looking for a buy, but it is risky. 4 minutes until A&D earnings. I'm trying to determine when this is gonna stick. But yeah, I'm looking for a buy. Got my rockets. I got my warning flag here. Possible reversal. No, this is NASDAQ. If you ever want to look to see what anybody's looking at, usually in the back of the chart, it'll show you what they're looking at. MNQ1 is micro NASDAQ futures.
Order filled.
On estimate of $1.17. Adjusted operating margin 24%, which is lower than the estimate 24.8%. Their R&D expenses were higher than expected, 2.14 billion on estimates of 1.96 billion. Adjusted operating income a beat at 2.24 billion on estimates of 2.15 billion. Capex a beat at 258 million on estimates of 219.7 million. For forward guidance now, they see their fourth quarter revenue higher than expected, 9.3 to 9.9 billion. Prior estimate was for 9.21 billion. Despite beats mostly across the boards, including on forward guidance here, we're seeing shares of AMD whipsawing in post-market. They are now up though, around 1.2%. They also see their fourth quarter adjusted gross margin about 54.5%, in line with the prior estimate. AMD note as well that their outlook does not include China MI308 shipment revenue.
Fuck me. I was muted.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader,
Forgot I got a phone call. I don't even know what the fuck I was saying. Oh, copy trading? It all depends on the account size. If you're going to copy somebody with a large account size, you're probably going to get burnt. So you really need to adjust accordingly. And then, if you're going to copy trade, then if you need to adjust accordingly, then I would just learn how to trade first. And then, if you wanted to find somebody that is profitable, then you can copy them. But if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to get upset. Because they're gonna burn you if you don't know what you're doing. I always recommend 4 micros, 2 to 4 micros for every 50,000 you have. This is crazy. So this higher low means nothing. Like that could have been the higher low, and then this is just news based. It doesn't matter. Just news based. I wish I called that bottom. You know, I was gonna do this too, and I fucking didn't. I was gonna say if it dips down, I'm gonna buy down here. I said, fuck it. It looks like it's gonna pre-go. But yeah, I kind of like this really small trading with 3 accounts. I've done it before, but I feel like my mind's a little bit more clear. I literally didn't stress at all today, really, except for that stupid orb move this morning. But that was just me bitching about it. Nothing was trading size. Gonna go up or no? What's my win rate? It varies sometimes. So in August, I had a 90% win rate. July and August was like a 90%. September, it dropped down a lot, like to like 65%. But if you did proper money management, you're okay with 65% win rate. It's because the markets are really silly right now. They don't know what it wants to do. You know, you got fucking interest rates. You got Trump tweeting constantly. It's getting really wild, so it can vary depending on the market condition. I'm working on making it a little better. But so far, we're doing pretty good. This was a gamble play, though. When you do earnings, it's a gamble play. As soon as this goes green, I'm probably going to get the fuck out. Hopefully it goes green. Yeah, everything's about money management. No matter what style you do, everything's about money management. You're gonna have losers. Accept your losses. That is the key to all this. Yeah, I'm getting the fuck out if it comes back up. It died. It literally fucking went down, ripped up 200. Ripped up 200 points, and then fucking died. New Zealand, there is unemployment at 16:45. I do not recommend trading that anyway because it's so close to 5 p.m. when futures close. Let's look to see if there's any news tonight. I mean, Hong Kong PMI at 7:30. Wow, there's a lot of PMI tonight at like 4 a.m. A lot of news overseas. So normally the S&P 500 shows that we'll be getting news tomorrow on the PMI. But the government shut down, so we're not going to get shit. Oh, this thing is going down on me. Might have to close this. See how it reacts here. And this bully bear bounces him. I want to add into it, but if it drops, no good.
Order filled.
Huge inside candles. Get me the fuck out. If you can't hold this, it's dropping. Give me some kind of fucking pullback. While we're waiting, I'm going to be getting off after this. If you're not following, hit that follow button. I will be on tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. I am... Good chance I'm going to be on tonight. Good chance I'll be on tonight. Probably around like 8:39 p.m. Eastern. If you want, there's a free Discord in the bio. If you want access to my indicators, go to VIP section. 30-day free trial. After 30 days, it is $1 a day. 30 for the month. Apex. If you guys are interested, they have a 70% off deal right now. After the 70%, there is a $40 activation fee if you make it to the PA account. Really good if you can pass. If you want, use my code BULLY, all caps for the discount. And this ain't working too good. Oh my god.
Order
It's dropping.
filled.
It's dropping on me. Get back a little bit. We're up 1,600 for the day. Barely fucking trading too. And this morning wasn't that good trading, so really not that much pressure today. Fucking rip up. If this candle stays orange, I'm going in.
Order filled.
Damn, went from orange to yellow again. Not good. That means volume is whack. Really weird. Come on, 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 come on. Hoping for a balance here, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Really weird. So these are extreme oversold candles going to moderate over selling. It should have bounced back a little bit here. Now into red candle. We should go. Be good. 30 seconds left.
Order filled.
$15. I hat indicator for the candle. What? Nah, this ain't gonna be the same one. If you're saying you have one like this, it ain't. You don't have it like this. This is my own calculations. My own calculations. Got some of it back though. Oh, go up, you bitch. I'm just gonna take it out too. Dude, I was just gonna take it out. Hoping for some kind of bounce here, but it's fucking fighting me. Alright, I'm just gonna get
Order
out.
filled.
What am I using? These are my personal indicators. If you want access to them, you can join my Discord VIP section. 30-day free trial. After 30 days, it is $1 a day. 30 for the month. Motherfucker now goes to that. It's playing games with me now, so I'm not gonna chase it. So free Discord in the bio, and then you can access the VIP section, or you can just come and hang out with us. Totally up to you guys. Motherfucker. Thing came right up. Alright guys, I'm gonna be getting off. I'm gonna go eat dinner and do all kinds of fun stuff.
Bully Bears is out. Doses.
Voice news disconnected.
See you tomorrow, Miss Powers. Or tonight, I'll let you know.